automatic light with PIR, Aurdino, and relay, and a lamp. So she's going to explain us the items and the board.
So we have PIR sensor, and ground to ground, input connection to pin 2, VCC to 5 volts,
And VCC.
Then we have Aurdino, and now we have ground to ground, and pin 4 out. We're going to use it as output, and input, and 5 volts to VCC. And this is the bulb, and we cut it 2 pieces, and
Of the wire.
And we kept it in the relay. Then he's going to explain us the rest of it.
Hi everyone, so we're going to I'm going to show you the real project basically that we have here. We have a 5-volt battery pack, and it's going to give the power to the Aurdino, and the Aurdino is the main controller, and we have PIR up here, a relay down there, right over here, and we have a lamp, a LED lamp. So what we did basically is the PIR, we were giving 5 volts to the PIR, so it's giving power, and we have ground. The black is ground to the PIR. Then the white is the signal input 2 in the program, and you can pick any. So when it detects anything, it's going to send the power. It's going to send it to the Aurdino. Then input 4, it's going to give the output to the relay. Then the relay also has the signal. It's an orange one, and there's power and ground to the relay too. And this part, it's a little, you need parents. So we have 2 wires over here, and the 2 wires are basically going to go to the relay, and these 2 are power banks basically. So each one has 3. So there's 2, and we're using this one. So there's 3. So there's one on this side, one on that, one on that. So the middle one is basically not. It has one job, and the 2 are different because one it's open and the other one it's not. So the one that's open, if it detects, the light ons. If it does, and the other one, if it doesn't detect, if it detects a person, then it's off, and the remaining time it's going to be on. So we use the left one because if it detects, then we want the light to be on. So we did that, and these are 125 volts. So you want a parent to do it. Then let's get on to the program. I'm going to explain to you guys the program. So we declared that the sensor pin is 2 and relay pin is 4, and the baud rate is 9600, and serial print line HCSR 501, that's the sensor name. Sensor with relay, so we're using the sensor with the relay. So the sensor is the input, and the relay is the output. When the motion is detected, the relay is going to go low and the light is going to be on. And if it doesn't detect anything, the relay is going to go high and the light is going to be off. And when the light on, it's going to stay on for 40 seconds. Then stop. Then if it detects anyone, then it's just going to be on. So that's the program. So we had to verify, then we upload it. So now when the person is going to come, it's going to detect the person, then the light is going to be on. So the PIR sensor is going to be detected. My sister is going to come down now. So it detected the person and the light got on.
Okay. So
Time to save the world.